Morning, friends. Today we will discuss the project of our language. The topic of this project is the education system, and the objective of this project is to predict the factors that influence the admission of a student into colleges. In this project, we will use the data college admission, which have 7 attributes, and one attribute means one variable. Admit is dependent variable, and other 6 are the independent variables. First step of this project is to import the data set, means college admission data set, into our program, then perform on the data functions like missing values, outliers, type of data, distribution, to check the distribution, is it normally distributed or not. Then we will split the data set into two parts, training and testing. As per standard, ratio will be 70/30. Next, step 4. In the step 4, we will implement the logistic regression model on this data set using the GLM function. You can see in the screenshot, I have used dependent variable with all independent variables. Implement this model, and then we will get a table of coefficients in which all 6 independent variables, you can show the value of estimated standard error, z value, and p value. In the last column, you can see there are two variables which hold star, single star and double star, means GPA and rank. If value of p is less than 0.05%, then these are the significant variables. In case of GPA and rank are the significant variables. We will again check, means next iteration for this model, to check is there any other significant variable or not. When we implement again for next iteration, then again we will find that GPA and rank are the significant variables. So we will go through these two values and calculate the accuracy of this model using the confusion matrix. And after implementing confusion matrix function, we will get accuracy of this logistic regression for this model is 76%. Then we will again implement SVM model on the same data to check the accuracy, and we will get 68.33% accuracy in case of SVM model. And then we implement decision tree model on the same data. After observing accuracy, it shows 67.5%. Then we will compare all the accuracy levels and find that logistic regression accuracy is most accurate, means 76.2%. Then we will implement the cbind function for the logistic regression, means highest level accuracy level. Then we will write the final dataset file with one more field, that is your predicted. And in the last, I will conclude it. We have 400 observation in this data set, and through this model, logistic regression model, we can find that only 120 students can get the admissions out of 400. And out of 120, only 18 students have more than 50% to chances to get the admissions, other have less 50% chances to get admissions. Guys, I have learned R from Skyfi labs, and it was very wonderful experience during the learning. Thanks, Skyfi.